Are you asking yourself what to buy as Iranian souvenirs? The best carpets are from Qom, Kashan, Isfahan, Tabriz, and Shiraz. Saffron and barberries mainly can be found in Mashhad, Termikari in Yazd, Meenakari or enamel, and Katamkari or inlaid, Kalamkari or carvings, metalworks, miniature paintings from Shiraz and Isfahan, Persian pottery and ceramics in Lalajin city in Hamadan, turquoise jewelry from Nishabur, lavender chamomile rose petals and bitter orange blossoms mainly from Shiraz, sweet and sour lavashak or fruit bar from the northern region, mouth-watering sweets and baklava, kottab and pashmak are a specialty of Yazd.